Hi, my name is Sarah Wilson, and I'm here to talk to you about formulating good questions, or how we get started with research. Find something you're interested in. That's the first thing that you want to do. Start by making a list. What interests me? What do I want to learn about? Sometimes you get the freedom to pick anything, and sometimes you have to pick off of a list. And sometimes you're given a specific topic like astronomy or the Civil War, but you can find something within that which excites you. Maybe it's a particular battle in the Civil War or a particular person. Maybe you're really into a certain planet or questioning, is Pluto a planet? You can find those things that interest you, and that's really the first step. Don't ask closed questions. So a closed question can be answered with a right or wrong answer, aka a yes or no answer. So you don't want to ask yourself, was Abraham Lincoln a president? Yes. That's not a great research question. You want to choose a question that is open-ended and has room for the topic to be explored. Why was Abraham Lincoln elected president? Or what were the outcomes of Abraham Lincoln's presidency? You also want to narrow your topic. Much like a yes or no question is too closed, you don't want a topic that is too broad. So make sure you can come back to your thesis statement. You always want to make sure that you have that question, that you can answer it with a one-sentence thesis statement, and that all of your research can come back to it. You want to find 3 or 4 points which strongly support your topic, and you don't want to go all over the place. So I don't need to say my topic is astronomy and cover all of the planets and the galaxies and the universe, right? I want to pick one and I want to study that. So you need to make sure that your question is specific. And that is all I have for you. Thank you very much.